Hi! We arrive here in Dubai Safari Park. We'll tour you around Dubai Yeah, that's rectangle. We will tour you around Dubai Safari Park. We'll see the animals. They have available tickets online at Dubai Safari Park. Hello lovely people, welcome to another brand new video. And for this video, I'm gonna be showing you guys Dubai Safari Park. It's a wildlife adventure at Dubai Safari Park where you can see a lot of animals. You may buy the tickets online and it costs us 50 dirhams for the admission tickets. So first we went to the kids farm and you will see there the sheep, goat, donkey and also the birds and as well as the ostrich. Time for food! They're waiting. Yeah. See, they're waiting. Hi guys! It's ostrich, not flamingo. headed to African village. This is very huge, and everything you can see in Africa animals you will see here in African village. So after we played car with Lucas, we went to Reptile House. It's fun to see the python snakes and some lizards. It's a lot of snakes you can see in here, and also frogs and other exotic animals. Dubai Desert Safari offers you a very nice landscaping where you can hang out, especially for the months of November to March, which is a very good season here in Dubai. It's cold season, so you may enjoy the weather as well. And for the admission ticket, it offers you the access to African village, Asian village, and the Arabian Desert Safari, and the kids farm, Wadi, and Explorer village. So one of our favorites so far was the African village, where Lucas has had fun with the cars. Lukas had fun with the monkey. He is really enjoying about monkeys. He even makes sounds of it. He is really making fun about monkeys.
Yes, underwater.
And it's my first time to see the giraffe, so I was excited, but unfortunately we missed the feeding session. Safari adventure. We are going home. Hope you enjoyed the video, guys. And see you. Bye bye.
Buffaloes, probably leopard.
Yeah.
Asian village is not that big.
Yeah.
Arabian Desert Safari.
That you enjoy watching and hope this video may help you about what is inside at Dubai Safari Park. Thank you and see you in my next one, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos.